How can we sustain such a return in long-term business plan strategy? We do agree that somebody can call our marketing approach doubtful or highly volatile. Many people will claim that it is not possible to create a stable return in such a short time period. From the beginning of the business class itself, people were scared of combining something they do not understand completely straight into their business plan of any existed industry. It is funny to accept that there were those times when corporations were afraid of the informational globalization itself. Yet nowadays, no industry can imagine its existence without the internet, informational customer support, and constant online data monitoring. Despite the fact of an enormous technology growth happened in the last decade, we certainly can perceive where some things deemed to be considered impossible finally can be placed into the business plan comfort zone of virtually any industry with just a little explanation and informational backup. Cryptocurrency has become that very first controlled fire we used to shuffle with sticks in our caves. For more analytics, including our financial advisors and administration department, Bitcoin evolutionary financial impact was obvious from the beginning. And here we are. Don't even get too excited about a sudden 20% Bitcoin's rate growth in a week anymore. And why is that? Maybe because we do know it's possible. We've seen things many old school folks would not believe, and still this obsolete point of view either can only be changed by time passing out society's boundaries, making the future generation even more comfortable with an acceptance of preposterous ideas such as your own personal prosperity, or by its direct professional integration into the business processes right here, right now. Here at Laser Online Platform, we want to provide you peak confidence at the possibilities of a modern financial technology combined with trusted, future-proven business of reselling and logistics. In fact, the very core of each business model stands on it. No matter where you look, if it's a century-old enterprise or California-based IT startup, everything happening to be based on either a particular service or price difference, reselling margin, or both. Our company was able to withstand all market changes only because we believed the constant asset diversification and selective approach to the industry's particular strong side, which we could likely use for profit today or tomorrow. Working at highly focused, unavailable to a mass market niche of laser-based products, reselling and logistics, we can establish long-term company's financial development. However, we should accept that generating promised 12-12 investment plan gains would rather be very difficult only at this area of business, then stable as we present it to you. Over the past 10 years of our offline business, we were able to generate extended capital resources, and in a conjunction with early 2011 through 2014 year cryptocurrency, low-gap purchases coupled by constant trading and exchange, we can now present so-called crypto capital, where its passive growth can sustain our users' digital funds, long-term returns, and stability provided by 12-12 business plan. This is very important to note that our results of a holistic approach to an executive time planning at modern innovations implementation can and should be used as an instrument of your own wealth, and those people who have not been granted with an access of big industries orientated niche business. By joining large-scale reselling and logistics model with rapid cryptocurrencies development, we've managed to establish a sustainable backup which can effectively cover potential vulnerability of a small yet very marginal cryptocurrency speculation by the size of its USD to BTC equivalent. Down below you can explore a detailed scheme of Laser's online 12-12 plan financial pillars.